Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, I will introduce an immersion-type level transmitter, the KPS400. It is suitable for level measurement in industries, such as petrochemical, metallurgy, and electric power. The maximum measuring range can reach 200 meters, with an IP68 protection rating. It is easy to use and simple to install. Below are the main parameters of the KPS400 for your reference. Wiring. First, let's talk about the wiring. The KPS400 I am holding is the 4 to 20 mA version. The wiring is defined as follows. The red wire is the power loop positive, plus, and the yellow wire is the power loop negative. Now connect the wires. After confirming everything is correct, power on the device. Operation. First, connect the sensor in series with an ammeter to observe the current. Then, immerse the sensor into the water. We can see that as the sensor goes deeper into the water, the output current of the sensor gradually increases. Conversely, as the sensor rises, the current value gradually decreases. Therefore, the sensor's output current is proportional to the water depth. This concludes the explanation of the KPS400 operation. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.